this video, we'll show you how to remove a password from a PDF. So as you can see, I currently have this PDF which is locked. So if I try to open it, it's prompting me to enter the password every time. Now if I want to remove the password from this PDF, what I first need to do is simply enter the password and then click on OK. Once the PDF opens, it could be in your default PDF viewer or it could be in your browser. It doesn't really matter. Simply press Ctrl+P or click on this print icon at the top. Now in the print dialog box, you need to select this option Microsoft Print to PDF and then click on print. Now you simply need to specify the location where you want to save the unlocked PDF. So and then click on save. And as you can see, the unlocked PDF is now right here. Now if I try to open it, it's not asking me for any password. So this is how you can remove a password from any PDF on your Windows PC without using online tools or third-party apps.